we came from kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume.
Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video with me. So in today's video, we made a grocery run, picked up a few things, so I'll be showing you guys all I got. And so we're just gonna take everything out the bags, and I'll be back to show you everything I picked up. So I picked up the kids some donuts, and how pretty they look. They already started on them.
Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile.
So let's start with what I got. Start with this cooking oil. Got 2 brine bolognas, cheese, the season for the fish season. Got ketchup, 2 barbecue sauce, the Kraft barbecue sauce. It's the original kind anyway. The olive oil, garlic powder, mayo to go, pineapples, which I love pineapples. I can just sit and eat them just by itself. I love them. The French style green beans. I got 2 of those. I got the red rose sausage, which is one thing I like to eat for breakfast. Let's see. We got the hot dogs, the jumbo. 2 of them. I picked up a candle, the pumpkin waffle. It smells so good. We got some ham to make sandwiches with. It's the pepper turkey breast. And then we got roast beef. Bright and early. Broccoli. We got the fruit, what you call these now? The fruit snacks. Then we got the ice honey buns. I got two of those. We got the Crush Pops. We got a strawberry. And we got a grape. Beef broth. Got chicken broth. We got the pancakes. 24 pack. The pancakes, they already done open them. Got the little oranges. The green onions. Got greens that I need to pick today. I may carry you all with me to pick the greens. You may want to see it, you may not, but I may just record it. We got lettuce. We got fish, catfish. Tissue, Charmin tissue. Clorox. Okay, hold it up for him.
We got Little Hulk juices. We got Falate.
What time is it?
Mega size hot chips.
I can't see my time.
My favorite, but it's not good for me.
Yeah, they like the hot chips. I didn't want to get them, honestly, but we went on and got them, and it's 42. How much was it, me? I think it was like the 42 bags of chips for $19. And so after this bag, we're gonna go to some regular chips because they don't need all them hot chips, to be honest. So we got
the straight cut seasoned fries.
Come around here.
We got two of them.
Okay.
We got some green sand potatoes. We got some Done dish soap. We got some we got some dinner yeast rolls, which really be good with your broccoli and cheese.
Mm-hmm.
We got some we got 2 hens.
That's for the chicken dressing we're doing for Thanksgiving.
We got some smoked pork neck bones.
Let me show. Let me see that. I don't know, have you guys tried these, but it's really good. Really, really good. It has like a little spice to it. It's Cajun style neck bones, and it's really hot. So sometimes we mix the Cajun style neck bones with the original regular neck bones, and it kind of makes it not so spicy. So we got that.
We got some sweet corn out of the cob.
Big bag of the corn.
Hey, y'all better put some of these on the grill.
She like them on the grill, y'all.
We got some biscuits.
Mary B's biscuit, which is my grandmother's name. Mary B also. Rest peacefully, Grandma.
We got some French toast sticks, my favorite. I ate some yesterday. We got some blue bunny
butter. Just a little cake.
We got some Brian bacon.
You gonna get the bacon
We got some hot and spicy
Well,
chicken.
you sure and try to tell them.
We got some hot and spicy chicken breasts.
And they are good, y'all, the spicy ones.
We got some green tea.
Got the Lipton green tea. I did all this. Just need to do the cups and the spoon.
We got some spoon. Some soothing lotion. And get
Kleenex.
Yeah.
I did that. Did we? No. Did I do that?
We got some strawberries.
Yeah. Strawberry. You got it folded the same.
And we got some
Coffee. Folgers coffee.
why is
It's
it
in there. It's in there.
barely empty?
Okay.
I don't feel light.
Yeah, it's in there. Okay. And we got some styrofoam cups. I think that's it, ain't it? That's it. Yeah, I think that's it. So we're gonna
Be back with you guys.
Get back. We're gonna put the stuff up. Well, I think we're gonna kind of wipe the refrigerator out, get it cleaned up, and take you guys along while we put it up. And okay, you guys. So I forgot to show you guys the meat that I ended up buying. So which is, I told y'all about this, the Cajun neck bones, and here I got chicken. I got chicken legs, chicken wings, hamburger meat, the hen, pork chops, the all different kind of pork chops and stuff. So yeah, I just want to show y'all that I got that. And this is the freezer that I keep outside, because the one inside I don't have enough room to keep all my stuff in, so I just store my most of my meat out here. Oh, I got cube steaks also in there. As you can probably see, the cube steaks, I got that. So yeah, that's about it.
You've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. I don't know where she came from. It kinda turned me upside down.
It's a mess down here. Let me show y'all if I can get it. Okay, okay. See that? Nothing there. See how nasty that is?
I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, sprinkle one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
I'm standing on the edge of breaking. Maybe I want to I found it in your guidance. Been working on myself in silence. Maybe I move too fast, 'cause people just tend to pass. I'm giving you all of me. At least what is left of me. What is left of me. Maybe I move too fast, 'cause people just tend to pass. I'm giving you all of me. At least what is left. At least what is left. Maybe I move too fast, 'cause people just tend to pass. I'm giving you all of me. At least what is left. At least what is left.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here. Tell me what can I do now? Ain't it always funny how soon as I let my guard down, here comes that familiar sound. When you start to get tongue-tied, and in my heart I feel you lie. Though I knew the whole damn time, why do I act so surprised? 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family helped you do this. Since you don't think you should live differently, what's left for me when it all ends? You need some real ones on your side. The type to pull up, down to right. Keep it 100, tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real ones on your side. I can see through all the fake, but I give my all to those who take. It's disaster in the making, how easily we break. We're all diamonds in the rough, but no one's gonna call your bluff. You need someone you can trust to tell you when you messed up. 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family enables weakness. And I don't think you could live differently. What's left for me when it all ends? You needed some real ones on your side. The type to pull up, down to right. Yeah, keep it 100, tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real ones on your side, so I know that they're on our side. To right, to right, to right, to right. Hard to get, tease me, boy, I'm a Mr. Flirt, work for bread, so coy, take it slow to lead, hurts, seductive when you look at me that way, irresistible, but I try.
Hey y'all. So we went to the store earlier today and got greens.
Don't mind my make sure set up. I'm in a car and it's hot and I already
I know, my fault.
So
All these are
this is what we got. So everybody
5 bunches of turnips. It was supposed to be half turnip and half mustard greens, but they had the mustard greens, they had the turnip greens in the little place where the mustard green was supposed to go. So, and normally I would look at the little tags, but this time I didn't look, and I got turnips. So what I'm gonna do, this is for my Thanksgiving dinner, so I'm just gonna pick them clean them off good, rinse them off good. All these, pick them off and bag them, put them in Ziploc bags and freeze them. Then when I go back to the store, I'm gonna get some mustard and pick those and clean them, clean them off and freeze them also until Thanksgiving. So, well, I got plenty. This will last for a good little while. Yeah, so if y'all want to come along with me, let's get this done. It's 5:36, and as you can see, it's dark outside. It's dark. So I don't like this time change. I don't like it. I be wanting to get in the bed early and go to sleep, but then I be looking crazy at 3 o'clock in the morning. So I'm trying to keep myself busy, but I know I need to pick these greens because there have been times I said, oh, I'm gonna get it later and end up going to sleep and never do. So, okay, we're gonna get these picked and let's see, we're gonna get the greens picked, washed off, maybe bag them, and then that'll be it. Hey y'all, so I got my 2 bunches of greens. I mean, well, 2 bags, because it was like 5 bunches all together. So I picked those, I washed them off good, and bagged them. So now I'm gonna put these in the freezer, and they will be good until Thanksgiving, which is, we have a few more weeks, like 2 weeks I think. So, or is it 3 weeks, somewhere in there, I don't know, it's close. So most of the time that's what I do. I pick my greens and I freeze them, and every time I want to cook something on Sundays and we want greens, I just put a bag out. And this, hey, it tastes just the same as you go in the store and just get them right then. So that's what we do. And we're gonna put these in the refrigerator, kind of straighten the kitchen up, and get ready for tomorrow, which is Monday, work day. So we finna wind it on down. I thank y'all for sticking with me through this whole YouTube thing. My loyal Facebook family, I thank y'all so much for continuously supporting me, being there for me. The nice comments y'all leave, I thank y'all. It makes me keep going, actually, because there has been a time that I didn't think I was doing a good job. and I know you have to start somewhere, right? So I thank y'all for constantly motivating me to keep going, for real. Okay, so we're gonna say that for another day. We're gonna get this stuff put up, and I'll talk to y'all later. Love y'all.